Swazy, what are we doing with these? These aren't shoes.
Ah! Swazy DePlug is not here. Swazy DePlug sells shoes. Among the collector community, I'm known as No Muscles Glasses. Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is a little different, ain't it, Sonny? This is not what we're used to, but that's okay. As you can tell by both the title and what you see in front of me, this is not a beater box video. Beater boxes will return in the next couple weeks, but until then, we have a few other videos in the pipeline. In front of me, I have $150 worth of Chrono Toys Funko Pop mystery boxes. Now, this is a little bit different, like I said. This video is brought to you by SwazyDePlug.com. If you have been on the site before, you'll notice that yes, I deal with shoes, but I also have a collectibles section on that site. We've never really delved into that whole entire section on the channel, but today that changes. So if you like what you see here, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a sub. Who knows if this video does well enough, you might see some more of these videos. Well, actually you're definitely gonna see more of these videos because I have at least one more shipment coming in of these. Anyways, the way this all works is I ordered 10 of these from Chrono Toys. No idea what's in them. They are a mystery box. But the way the site works is there are top prizes for the week, if that makes any sense. Full disclosure, I don't know anything. I don't know my ass from my elbow when it comes to Funkos. Easiest way to put it. I do know the collectors out there are kind of rabid. So don't be mad at me. I'm in the market for making money. I do have the nut button. I do have the knife karambit, I got my boy, and I know what I'm looking for. The ad icon Tony the Tiger, flocked. I don't know what a lot of the terminology means. I know flocked is good, and I know chase is good. If you get a chase pop, it's good. I don't know.
And you don't know what those mean, you just know good.
Not a clue.
Now, is it gonna say
yes.
if it's chased or flocked on the box?
Yes, it will. There's a sticker.
Okay.
I think flocked is a pink sticker, and chase is like a orange. It's weird, but we'll just kind of get into it and see what we see. Okay, so the one thing I do know is I have the Funko app open in my phone over here. The thing with these is they're worth what they're worth. Usually when we do shoes, we'll be able to kind of ballpark it. It might go for this, it might go for that. These, you got the counter, what is what it's worth. I paid $150 for all these. Side note, not sponsored. Chrono Toys did not pay me to do this. This is not sponsored by any means. I was just researching Funko mystery boxes and these guys popped up and stuff was for sale. We'll go from there. So, also, backed by popular demand, the cutoff. Yes, welcome back. We'll check the value as we go. Won't save it for the end. I don't know if it's gonna be, can you tell me? Is this one just hanging out there?
That is the back.
This is the back?
I believe that's the back. Yeah. It's in wrapping. I don't know what that is.
All right, so this is the Peter Pez. It is an ad icon though.
Okay.
I don't know what that means. From what I remember though, these guys, the best way to tell what's worth something and what's not is if it's in, there's different protectors. So if this is not in a protector, I think it's a common. If it's in a soft protector, it's a uncommon. And if it's in a hard protector, it's worth something. This isn't in any kind of protector. I'm gonna look up the value of this and we'll see what it's worth. Ad icon. This was released in 2019. This is worth $7. So add that to the $7 counter up here. Okay, so I'm gonna open it this way now. That way you can see it first. Bam, you're probably seeing
bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. All right, not looking. Okay, we have PICCOLO. I don't think this is the super rare one. I don't think so, but I'll look it up and we'll see. So this one here is at the trending value of $8 whole. So far, we're doing pretty well, if I'd say so myself. I don't know why I'm thinking something's gonna be good. If it's not gonna be good, it's not gonna be good, but we're looking for the stuff with stickers on the front, obviously. Bam, hook. We'll see. I'm trying not to look at the back of it. I feel outrageous right now doing this. All right, you know what it is before I do. Boom. King Bran the Broken. It's a Game of Thrones thing. I know that.
I think that's a spoiler for Game of Thrones, too.
Okay, all right. Nice. This is at a value of also $7. Got number 4 out of 10, and we're thriving right now, but who knows? So like I mentioned at the beginning, this is the February V3 mystery box is what they called it. You could buy as many as you want. The other video that we have coming up, also with Funkos, is the high roller box. So if we don't get anything too crazy in this box, just know that there will be another potential for something crazy. We shall see, at least in the other video, but who knows? I see Sonny's face making something weird. Not looking here. Okay. I've never seen Dragon Ball Z.
I don't know, dude.
All right, so this is worth $14 currently.
Okay.
So add that to the counter a little bit more. We're making up a little bit from what's been lost on the King of Brawn or whatever.
That's 2 Peter Pez right there.
That is true. Yeah, cool. All right, add him to this back here. All right, I just want to say this while the camera's on. This is way too fun. The way I'm looking at this is fun for content, and if I make my money back, which if I don't on this box, I'm sure I will in the next video of these that we do, but this is meant to just be kind of fun for you guys, something a little bit different. It kind of sticks with the mystery box stuff. All right, moment of truth. Huh. Oh, there we go. Okay, again, not sure. I'm just looking at Sonny's reaction. He doesn't say anything, but his head and face make weird movements. So who knows? I saw his eyebrows go up a little bit there. Don't see it out of the peripherals. All right, we've got a Steve Irwin. What?
I don't know, but I'm really happy now. That's
Oh,
cool.
Crikey!
There's a great picture of him on the back, too.
Oh, that is wholesome.
That's great, dude.
Oh, that's adorable. Pop television. Oh, wow. All right. The chase is worth $30. This is not the chase.
That would have, yeah.
This is $10.
I mean, okay.
Not complaining. Not complaining. We still got another 5 boxes left. Again, Sonny's making an interesting face. Then again, his interesting...
It's always just trying to decipher what
it is.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got a... What the hell? All right. Baseball Fury, The Warriors, Toy Tokyo Limited Edition, New York 2019. I heard limited edition and I heard another country. So that's music to my ears, if you will. Holy f***. What? 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 So what the f***? This is worth $65. Oh, what the hell? It's not even out yet, it says. Look at that. It says coming soon. Yeah, exclusive to New York Comic-Con and Toy Tokyo.
And SwazyThePlug.com.
And SwazyThePlug.com. That's crazy, man. Oh my God. All right. That is insane, man. Wow.
Okay.
Oh, this nut button is gonna lose on me soon. My God. See, that's crazy, man. That's absolutely crazy. And we still got 4 more. Down sit hut. Thank you very much. I hope you guys are enjoying this. This is fun as hell,
really
man.
fun.
I don't know why this is so fun. Keep in mind, so we got this video and we got another Funko High Roller coming up in a few weeks. We shall see. Box number 7. Yeah, wait. Yes, math is hard. Well, we got something really good, so hopefully we can get one more really good thing out of the next 4, including this one. There is that.
I really don't think I have an advantage on you on finding out what it is first.
No, I don't think so either. But it's funny. This one feels heavier, I will say.
Okay, I know.
Oh.
I actually do know this one.
Yeah.
I believe.
Okay, so we've got Thanos in the garden. See, Thanos and I, we have something in common. Do you know what that is, Sonny?
What's that?
We both got a big ass head.
Yeah.
I was wondering why it's so heavy. Look at the size of his head in there. That thing is huge.
Man, Gauntlet's tiny comparatively.
Well, this is when he was in the garden. This is before.
Yeah.
Spoiler alert. This is before. If you haven't seen Endgame yet, bro, what?
We spoiled Game of Thrones.
Oh, that's right.
We spoiled Game of Thrones.
Oh my god.
Spoiled Endgame.
We're currently spoiling Endgame. Spoiler alert. This is before he gets killed the first time.
Yeah.
After he melts the stones.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, feel this. Pick this up so you know what I'm talking about. There you go. Pick this one up and then this one.
Wow. Thanos does have a lot of weight on Steve.
R.I.P. Okay, so let's look up what we got here. Also, in case you were curious, there might be an easier way to order from Chrono Toys, but I didn't know it. And they sent me 10 different boxes, but it works because I don't have a single box to ship these in otherwise. So they're just gonna get reshipped in the boxes, which works perfectly. So this is worth, can you take a guess, Sonny? It's staying 7. We're $7. We've got $7. Oh wait, this is a bobblehead. Huh?
Did you pull up the right one?
Yeah, I did. I didn't notice it. Maybe that's why it's so heavy. Look, you can see like the spring in there.
The spring down there.
There's like a spring under his head.
yeah.
All right. So nut button has been used once. Okay.
3 more.
If I can open it correctly. Boom. 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 More bubble wrap. Set that aside. Also, I like how at the beginning I said it might be in like a protector. None of these have been in any protectors yet. All right, got that. Put this over here and boom. This is upside down.
Oh, okay.
I got Dustin. All right. I assume we're gonna kind of move past this pretty quickly. Though Stranger Things, fun fact, is my favorite TV show. Oh, there's so many Dustins. Jesus Christ. Is this with compass? There's a difference. Yeah, it's a compass. All right, $10.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. One more box after this, and that'll be it. We shall see. I'm watching.
Recognize something.
Watching Sonny. I'm not looking. See, it works because I can't see it on my peripherals because I'm blind as a bat. Okay. And we have Korg. Oh, this one's also a bobblehead. Okay.
Huge fan.
Huge fan. Best character in the MCU. Changed my mind. All right. Nice.
All right.
So this is worth $12.
Okay.
Not bad.
Good for Korg.
Good for Korg. Keeping up some of his value here. Add that right here. I will say, like I said, I'm not really sweating if I don't make my money back on this one because we do have the other stuff coming. Like I've said about 4 times now, but it's fine. Okay. Up. Checking Sonny's reaction, hoping it's not something awful. Might be upside down again. Putting that there, unwrapping it. Kind of weird unwrapping it. I'm looking at Sonny's face. And we have BALVIN. Okay. Limited edition.
I see some stickers.
We got Chase and BALVIN limited edition. We'll look this up. Hope maybe, I have no idea. All right, BALVIN. Okay. All right. Chase BALVIN limited edition, exclusive to Toy Tokyo and Complex Con. This is currently trending around $55.
Oh.
Bing, 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 bing.
That puts us in the money.
That saved us. All right. Well, that is impressive. If I do say so myself, nothing special on the back. This is fun, man. That was really fun. Wait, we got, oh my God, not again. All right. There it is. Oh yes, we got a BALVIN, not damaged at all. Sweet. All right, so So we got 10 random Funko mystery boxes. We've got 3 of them that are worth some good money. Well, 2 of them that are worth very good money, and then 1 that's worth a little bit more money. 2 Avengers bobbleheads, and then some comments. This was a really fun video to make. We've got 1 more of these videos coming. I mean, I don't know what to say apart from this was a lot of fun. I've said it about.
I hope you guys like this.
Yeah, let us know if you guys like this kind of video. It's a mystery box. It's fun. It's something different. Obviously, the beater boxes are gonna keep coming. The shoe content's gonna keep coming, but we're just trying to spice it up a little bit, you know? Can't hurt to differentiate a little bit.
You're gonna get beater box videos either way. These are just something extra.
Exactly, exactly. So if you haven't already, go down below, drop a comment, drop a like, drop a sub, hit that bell, check out SwazyToPlug.com. Everything we just unboxed here is gonna be available there, as well as everything we've unboxed in previous videos. We really appreciate it. Again, let us know how you feel about this kind of video. If you guys like it, we'll keep doing it. We got 1 more video like this for sure in the pipeline, but otherwise, who knows? Who knows? See you in the next one. Deuces.